We've got a perfect storm. We don't care about the second wind or something else to take form.
Hey, I'm Katelyn and welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I will be showing you how to do a Thanksgiving tablescape. So I have this table here. I actually got this table from my mom. It was a hand-me-down. She's had it for years, and I think that it's originally from Pier 1 maybe, but it's probably at least 15, 16 years old at this point. So I'm going to start out with these plates here. I got these plates from Michael's. I think they are so beautiful. Next up, I'm going to layer with this plate that I have here. It's a nice teal color. I got these from Facebook Marketplace, but they are originally from Home Goods. And then I have this beautiful off-white ivory plate as well that I got from Facebook Marketplace, but it is also from Home Goods. Here is the branding if you'd like to see. All of the fine china is originally from Home Goods, but my mom purchased it from Facebook Marketplace a few years ago and gave it to me for my birthday. If I find anything similar, I will link it down below as well as in my Amazon storefront. I have these beautiful pieces from the Dollar Tree. They come in a set of 3, I believe, or 4. I can't remember. I think 3. And it says Harvest. So I'm placing that here. These came in a pack of 3 from the Dollar Tree. They come out every single year. I've had these for quite a while now, and they come in handy for so many different arts and crafts. And they say harvest, thankful, as well as welcome. Now I'll be using these cute little plates for the side, as well as these gorgeous detailed mugs.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns. Would you follow me to wander?
Now I'm going to be using this gorgeous beveled bowl. I'm just trying to show you all the detail. It's really pretty. I'm actually going to be flipping it upside down, then putting another little plate on top of it, as well as a pumpkin. And now I'm just playing around with some flowers to add a decorative touch. I'm also using these burlap style napkins that I folded into the shape of like a triangle. I used some twine to add a little decorative touch.
Ooh, ooh, would you follow me to wonders? If you're everything that matters to me, makes me wonder why I can't get over you. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
So this is how everything came out. I am really happy with it. I hope that it inspires you to think outside the box and get creative with items that you might already have lying around the house to make the perfect tablescape for Thanksgiving or any dinner party that you might have coming up. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. The holidays are right around the corner and I cannot wait to deck my entire apartment out with a whole bunch of Christmas. See you next time.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride